Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing a clean start. Hold the PS5 power until it shuts, wait 60 seconds, then reboot. This clears temporary caches that often cause crashes. Next, check storage and remove large unused installs. Games need free space to swap data. Finally, go to Settings and install any pending system and game updates. Updates fix known stability issues. Once done, launch the game to confirm whether the crash persists before moving to deeper fixes. You now run deeper repairs. Boot into safe mode, hold power until the second beep, then plug in your controller via USB. Choose Rebuild Database to scan and repair corrupt file tables. This can resolve crashes caused by bad game data. After rebuilding, test the game. If it still crashes, delete the game and reinstall it from disk or your digital library so all files are fresh. Reinstalling replaces bad data and removes problematic save corruption. You finish by isolating hardware and preserving progress. Disconnect any external USB drives and test the game on the internal SSD. External drives can introduce latency or file errors. If problems continue, backup saves to cloud or USB and perform a settings reset. This reverts custom configs without data loss. As a last resort, initialize PS5 from safe mode, but only after backing up saves. This wipes the system and often eliminates persistent crashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.